Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Boyd here talking to you about multiplying polynomials. This is a lot like all the other multiplication stuff of the distributive property that we've done so far. The only difference here is that we're multiplying polynomials together. So let me show you what I like to do. Here you can see in example 1, we've got two polynomials, 2x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 5. What we want to be sure and do is multiply each part of each parentheses by each part of the other parentheses. So to do that, here's what I suggest. We're going to take this first polynomial, 2x plus 3, and write it in a column, 2x plus 3. I'm going to take the second polynomial and write it next to each of those, x plus 5, x plus 5. Now we're going to distribute in each row. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 5 is plus 10x. Now I'm going to move down a row, and our answer is going to move right one column. So 3 times x is 3x. I'm going to write that below 10x. So my like terms line up. 3 times 5 is plus 15. Now when I add these together, all of my like terms are going to be already combined for me. 2x squared plus 13x plus 15. That is the product of 2x plus 3 times x plus 5. Simple as that. Now, the next one's the exact same thing. Please try it on your own. Okay, you should have written x minus 2 in a column, and then 3x plus 4 next to each of those. Now we multiply. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times 4 is plus 4x. Second row, we got to move one spot over. So negative 2 times 3x minus 6x. Negative 2 times 4, negative 8. Add them together, we get 3x squared minus 2x minus 8, and that's the answer. All right, now, if you have two binomials, two-term polynomials multiplied by each other, we can use this shortcut called the FOIL method. It's an acronym. FOIL, F-O-I-L. F stands for first. O is outside. Sorry, got stuck there. I is inside. L is last. So we got 2y minus 7 and 3. It should be 3y plus 5. So F stands for first. It's going to be in red. 2y times 3y. That's 6y squared. O, outside terms multiplied together. Plus 10y. I, two inside terms. Negative 7 times 3y is minus 21y. L is last. Negative 7 times 5 is negative 35. Now, if we do it this way, the two terms in the center here should have the same coefficient. Oh, not the same coefficient, the same variable, and we can combine those. So I've got 6y squared minus 11y minus 35. So FOIL method is just a little shortcut you can use. The way we did it first works every time as well. So you try part B, and we'll do it together. Why not? All right, let's do it again. We've got F. 4a times 2a is 8a squared. O, 4a times negative 9, negative 36a. I, negative 5 times 2 is minus 10a. L, negative 5 times negative 9 plus 45. Again, we've got these two in the middle that have the same term. There are the same terms, so we can combine them. 8a squared minus 46a plus 45. Okay. Last one. You do it. All right. You should get x times x is x squared. O minus 4x. I plus 3x. L minus 12. We can combine these two in the center and get x squared minus x minus 12. Super. We're not going to worry about this one with the pool. Skip that. We are going to look at the example 4 here where we've got like super polynomials that we're going to multiply. Here is where I always use the very first method I showed you. I'm going to take 6x plus 5 and write it in a column. The second polynomial goes next to it. So each term from the first polynomial gets the second polynomial multiplied. And then we multiply. 6x times 2x squared is 12x to the third. 6x times negative 3x minus 18x. 6x times negative 5 minus 30x. Second row, we're going to move over a column. We've got plus 10x squared minus 15x minus 25. And then we add 12x cubed minus 8x squared. I forgot the square on that one. Minus 45x minus 25. And that's the answer. It's just more terms and more multiplying, but we do the exact same thing. Let's do letter B together. I'm going to write this first 3 term as trinomial in a column, like so. And the second polynomial is going to be multiplied by each of those terms. So 2y squared times 3y squared is 6y to the fourth, starting at the top there. 2y squared times negative 5y is minus 10y to the third. 2y squared times 2 is plus 4y squared. Move down to the second row, move over a column. We get 9y to the third minus 15y squared plus 6y. Down another row, start over another column. Negative 3y squared plus 5y minus 2. Then we can add all these columns. 6y to the fourth minus y cubed. Negative 15 plus 4 is negative 11 minus 3 is negative 14 y cubed. Or that's a square, I'm so sorry. Plus 11y minus 2. My cat's playing with a toy behind me and I'm real distracted. All right, last one. You're on your own. Do it, do it, do it. Okay, so first polynomial in a column. Second, next to each of those terms. Then we multiply. 6x to the third plus 21x squared minus 24x. Now my dog is dreaming. I'm really hitting a home run tonight. Negative 10x squared minus 35x plus 40. We got 6x to the third plus 11x squared minus 59x plus 40. That's the answer. Ta-da! We totally did it. I love you. I miss you. I miss teenagers in general. My kids are small and they make life a little bit challenging. I miss you. I hope you're amazing. Please take care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you soon.